In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a discount in QuickBooks Online. QuickBooks Online is a powerful tool for managing your business finances, and knowing how to apply discounts to invoices is a handy skill to have. Whether you're rewarding a loyal customer, running a promotion, or simply adjusting the price for a specific reason, adding a discount ensures that your invoices remain accurate and professional. If you're new to QuickBooks Online, be sure to check the link in the description to create your account and get started. Now, let's dive into the step-by-step process. First, from the QuickBooks dashboard, head to the top left corner of your screen and click on the New button. This will open up a menu with different transaction types. From there, select Invoice. Once the invoice screen loads, start by filling out the required fields. Enter the customer's name, the invoice date, and the due date for payment. Then move on to adding the products or services being billed. Here, you'll need to provide details like the quantity, rate, and any applicable tax settings. Make sure everything is accurate, as this information will directly affect the totals on the invoice. If the discount you're applying needs an explanation, you can add a quick note in the message or memo area. For example, you might want to let the customer know that this discount is part of a promotion or a goodwill gesture. This step is optional, but it's a great way to maintain clear communication with your customer. Next, scroll down to the Totals section of the invoice, where you'll find the option to add a discount. Click on the discount option, and you'll be prompted to choose how you'd like to apply it. If the discount is a percentage of the total, select percentage. For example, you might offer a 10% discount. Alternatively, if the discount is a specific amount, such as $50, choose flat amount. After selecting your discount type, enter the discount value in the appropriate field. QuickBooks will automatically calculate the new totals for you. At this point, take a moment to review the updated figures, including the subtotal, discount, tax, and final total, to ensure everything looks correct. Once you've verified that all the details are accurate, click the Save button to save the invoice. And if needed, you can send the invoice directly to your customer from within QuickBooks Online. And that's it. You've successfully added a discount to an invoice in QuickBooks Online. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.